How to assign a phone number to AI Replies. Now that we've finished creating the agent, let's assign a phone number for it to work with. Click here to go to Phone Numbers section. Then click here to assign a phone number to the agent. From the pop-up, select the one or more phone number you want to assign to the agent. Select the phone number you want to assign. Click Assign Number to confirm your selection. Once you assign a number to the AI, it will automatically respond to any incoming messages on your behalf. You can change this anytime in the chat settings. Now let's test the AI. Enter a trial message here to test the AI response. Click Send. If you want to fine-tune this response, click here to make adjustments. Edit the message to match your needs, then click Update Response to save your changes. Confirm your update. That's how AI-powered SMS works in Easify.
Thank you.